you doing in my fridge? Bad jokes aside, I'm going to be doing a little bit of baking today. I'm going to be making the apple strudel from one of my favorite movies of all time, which is Inglorious Basterds, directed by Quentin Tarantino. If you haven't seen this movie, I highly recommend you watch it. I think it was on Netflix, I'm not sure if it is anymore. It's got a stellar cast. Brad Pitt, Diane Kruger, Michael Fassbender, and Christopher Waltz, of course. And it is basically about a group of Jewish soldiers and their plan to overthrow the Nazi government in World War II. So I highly recommend it. It's really funny and it's really suspenseful and I just love it. So today I'm going to try to make the apple strudel. To be honest with you, I have never tasted an apple strudel before, so I'm not really sure what to expect. After looking on various YouTube videos, I found a video from one of my favorite YouTubers, Binging with Babish. So I'm going to give it my best shot. So come along with me as we try to make the apple strudel from Inglorious Basterds. Well, we're going to make a well in the flour and add in 2 egg whites, vegetable oil, salt, and lemon. Alright, so we've got everything in our well at the moment, and what I'm going to do is we're going to use our hands and get a little bit messy, combine everything together, and then we're going to use okay, so this is very specific in the recipe. It said 43 degrees, so I literally got a thermometer and I put it in here to make sure it was 43 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna then pour that in and combine everything together. So let's get our hands dirty. Oh. Okay, not gonna lie, this feels quite therapeutic. Okay, we've got our water. Added that in. Now it said to knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes vigorously and to take all your frustration out on the dough. F you, coronavirus. Alright, so I think I've pretty much finished with arm day because my arms are killing me. Alright, so I like the look of this dough at the moment, if I don't say so myself. Hey? I'm kind of excited actually. Okay, so I've rolled out my dough into this circular shape. It's not exactly a perfect circle, but we'll call it a circular shape. And now we're gonna have to like stretch it like in this motion, like they do with pizza. Now, I just wanna make a very quick disclaimer that my dough, I think what I did was I put it onto the tablecloth when there was too much flour and it became a bit too dry. So when I started to stretch it out, a lot of holes started appearing. So what I did was I got a bit of water and pinched the holes back so that then the holes would be gone. So yeah, just a little quick disclaimer that it didn't go 100% according to plan, but hopefully it still tastes delicious. Alright, so we're gonna get our melted butter and we're just going to drizzle it on top first. One side. Alright, so now what we need to do is get the tea towel or whatever you've got and kind of just fold it over like so. Put a nice dollop of cream on top. Nothing better than thickened cream with icing sugar. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the apple strudel from Inglorious Basterds with cream. And to be honest, I'm actually pretty proud of myself. It took quite a long time to get this. Just for a bit of a comparison, this is the image in the book. And you know, if I don't say myself, it actually looks pretty similar. Thank you so much for tuning in to me trying out this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're keeping safe and happy during quarantine, and make sure to remember to take breaks and look after your loved ones and stay happy and healthy. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Woman,